like x, y equal 100, we take it like number 1 equation, and y, z equal 200, it will be like number 2 equation, and z, x equal 300 will be number 3 equation. We have to multiply number 1 equation with number 2 equation and divided by number 3 equation. Then we'll get like x, y times z, y divided by z, x equal 100 times 200 divided by 300. Then we can cancel out this 100 and this 300 will be 3. This x and this x will be cancelled out. This z and this z will be cancelled out. Then from here we can get this like y square equal 200 divided by 3. After this we have to here do like now number 1 equation times number 3 equation divided by number 2 equation. Then we'll get like x, y times z, x divided by y, z. It will be like 100 divided times 300 divided by 200. Then this 100 and this 2 will be cancelled out. Then we will get this 2 divided by this 300 will be 115, and this y will be cancelled out. This z and this z will be cancelled out. From here we'll get x square equal to 115. And now last step again we'll do like number 2 equation times number 3 equation divided by number 1 equation. Then we'll get y, z times z, x divided by x, y equal to 200 times 300 divided by 100. Then we'll be cancelled. This and this will be 3, and this x, this y, this will be cancelled out. From here we'll get like z square equal to 600. This 300 times 200 will be 600. After finishing this we'll be get x square equal to 115, and y square equal to 200 divided by 3, and z square equal to 600. Then from here we know exponential equation square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. From here we can write like x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. We just write this into xyz format. After this we will know this x square value is 150, y square value is 200 divided by 3 plus z square's value is like 600, and 2 times xy equal to 100 plus 2 times yz equal to 200, and this 2 times z is equal to 300. And we can write x plus y plus z whole square, and from here we can write 200 divided by 3 plus this all is we plus and times. Then we'll write 190 x plus y plus z whole square equal to 200 plus 5850 divided by 3. After that x plus y plus z whole square equal to 6050 divided by 3. After that, root over x plus y plus z whole square divided by root over 650 divided by 3. Equation, we just wrote this because we have to cancel out this square value. After that, we can go x plus y plus z equal to root over 6050 divided by root over 3. And we can simplify this equation is, root over 2 times 5 squared times 11 squared divided by root 3. We can write it like, root 2 times 5 times 11 divided by root 3, and this root 5 2 divided by 55, and root 3 will be root 3, and this is our final answer. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.